Do you think your name influences who you become as an adult? The research says yes. It shapes what your face looks like, it influences where you live, and what you choose for your career. It's called nominative determinism. This study had adults and children match names and faces of other adults and children, and the results revealed that both adults and children correctly matched adult faces to their corresponding names significantly above the chance level. However, when it came to children's faces and names, participants were unable to make accurate associations, meaning something happens between childhood and adulthood where the name has an impact on what your face looks like. Bobs look like Bobs. Meanwhile, these studies showed that people are disproportionately likely to live in places whose names resemble their own first or last names. For example, people named Louis are disproportionately likely to live in St. Louis. And these studies showed that people are disproportionately likely to choose careers whose labels resemble their names. For example, there are a lot of dentists named Dennis and Denise. And there's more examples. One study found that people with the surname doctor are more likely to be doctors than lawyers, whereas people with the surname lawyer are more likely to be lawyers. Two more studies found if your first or last name starts with doc or law, you're more likely to be a doctor than a lawyer, or more likely to be a lawyer than a doctor, respectively. And another study found that the first initial of your last name influences what specialty you go into in medicine. For example, Raymonds are more likely to be radiologists than dermatologists. So yeah, your name has an impact on who you become as an adult. How do you think your name has impacted you?